The transformation of Camp Nou is now reaching a level where progress is unfolding everywhere you look. And today's update brings some truly exciting and meaningful developments, giving us a deeper and more complete view of how rapidly this iconic stadium is evolving. From key interior upgrades to major structural activity across multiple zones, the project is clearly moving into a more advanced and coordinated phase. Every section is contributing. Every detail is adding up. So let's dive straight in and break down everything that's happening on site right now. We start inside the structure, where progress is just as impressive as the exterior works. Multiple developments are happening across different internal zones, but today's standout update focuses on the dressing room arrangements. There will be two completely separate dressing rooms in the new Camp Nou. The first will be the main men's dressing room, used by Barcelona's first team on the biggest stages. The second will be a fully dedicated, purpose-built dressing room for the women's team. This is not a shared or adapted space. It is specifically designed for them. This is a genuinely significant detail, reflecting the club's commitment to the women's team, providing them with the facilities, respect, and investment they truly deserve. Now moving to the sideline area of the lower tiers. A key structural phase has officially begun in this zone, clearly showing that the surrounding structure is now ready for further development. At the same time, crews have started installing yellow protective elements around the lower metal frames. These are not just safety features. They signal that a new and more intensive phase of work is about to begin. Whenever protective systems like this appear, it usually means the next stage is imminent. Alongside this, welding of bracket beams is also underway. This process strengthens structural connections, adds support points, and improves load distribution across the framework. Now let's head up to the top tier. Progress here remains very encouraging, with multiple activities happening in perfect coordination. The terrace installation is now in its final phase. Only a few sections remain, meaning the completion of the entire third-tier terrace system is now very close. For fans following this journey, this is a major milestone. At the same time, concreting work continues in preparation for the next stage. Workers are laying iron reinforcement, forming the structural base needed for upcoming installations. Everything here is synchronized. Terrace completion, reinforcement, and structural progress, all moving forward at the right pace. Now let's address the question that's been on everyone's mind. New footage from inside the VIP boxes has emerged this week, and to be honest, it raises serious concerns if a Christmas 2025 opening was the expectation. The interior appears to be significantly behind where you would expect it to be at this stage. There's no visible finishing, no polished surfaces, and no real indication that these areas are close to completion. The original target suggested that the VIP boxes would be ready by Christmas. But based on what we're seeing now, that timeline looks extremely difficult to achieve. This isn't a minor delay, it's a substantial gap. Whether the club chooses to adjust expectations publicly or maintain its current stance, the footage speaks for itself. In the North Goal area, today we're bringing you a very interesting update from inside the stadium. More ceramic facade panels have now been installed, and work has officially begun on a second horizontal row along the front section, marking a key step forward as the facade starts to take on a more complete and defined appearance. A growing number of panels are already in place, offering a clear visual preview of the final look. With anchoring systems already secured, installation is progressing with strong precision and consistency, while the area steadily moves toward its finishing phase with visible confidence. Finally, we move to the diamond area, where today's biggest milestone has taken place. Two major developments are happening here simultaneously. First, crews are carrying out final checks on the glass installations, ensuring every panel is properly secured and perfectly aligned. But the most important update is this. Painting has officially begun. The first coat is now being applied, marking the transition from construction into the finishing phase. This is a premium finishing process, designed to create a durable and high-quality surface for a public-facing commercial space. This moment is significant because it clearly shows that the diamond area has moved beyond construction and is now entering its final stage. This is the beginning of the end for this section. What an incredible update this has been. From the interior revealing 2 dedicated dressing rooms, to the sideline lower tier coming alive with new structural work, to the top tier nearing full terrace completion, and finally, the diamond area entering its finishing phase. The Camp Nou renovation is now moving into its most advanced stage yet. Every section is progressing, every milestone is being reached, and the finished stadium is closer than ever before. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next update. Visca el Barça.